Was there ever a point in history where white privilege did exist?
Yeah, I suppose when we lived in a country where if you were black, you were not allowed to go into certain places.
When did it end?
When it stopped being systemic, when there stopped being laws in place that stopped me as a black person doing what you're able to do as a white man. If you ask me whether or not I believe in economic privilege, I would tell you yes. If you ask me whether or not I think that somebody born into a family of billionaires be afforded more privileges in life than somebody that is born in the projects of Chicago, I would say yes, because economic privilege in this country does exist. But there is no law in place that is stopping a person because of the color of their skin from gaining that economic privilege, which is why I do not believe that white privilege, which is based upon the color of your skin, exists. If you're asking me, do I think the black community has been crippled economically, the answer would be yes. It has been crippled economically by Democrat policies. You just heard me say that in there. Who cares who does it?
Democrats are Americans. Democrats are in America, so therefore you just admitted that there has been disadvantages by two black people by Democrats who are American. You just admitted it.
It is not based off. You asked me if white privilege exists. The answer is white privilege. Because you're born white, that means you're going to not have this or that. It does not exist. No. This is what I love about white liberals, right? Like, they know it's so important for them to sell us our oppression that they'll come up and tell us we're a disgrace. Just say it. Just say it.
Can you speak for all
Well, why
black
don't you
people?
stop speaking for black people? That would be great, okay?
I'm not.
Why don't you let
privilege.
him, who's shaking his head and rolling your eyes, speak about his experience as a black
We
man?
can have a conversation later.
No, because you're sitting here
talking
yelling at
about
me,
white
telling me,
privilege.
and I'm telling you the answer. Economic privilege exists. You're saying why does it disproportionately affect blacks? Because we're disproportionately voting for Democrats, and it's stupid.